It's hot on the bottom. It's hot on the bottom!
Out the please get out the cabinet. Get your motherfucking ass out the cabinet! Cross, get down. Do not touch. No. Cross, get your ass down now!
No.
Theo, get out. Theodore, get out of the bucket!
Can mommy have it? Bring it to mommy right now.
Put the purse back, honey.
Now threaten her and see what happens.
Put the purse back now!
Leave it alone. Kaden.
Leave it alone! Callie, can you please put my purse back? Put the purse back, honey.
Now threaten her and see what happens.